Assalamualaikum. Hope that you all are well. In this video, we are going to learn how to extract any protected area from QGIS. Let's start the video. First of all, you have to open the QGIS and create new project. And now you have to upload the open statement. For that, I will go to Open Data Source Manager. From here, I will upload the open statement. Double click on it, and you see that open statement uploaded. Now I will go to my protected area, which is located in Tangail, Dhaka, Bangladesh, and this is my protected area I want to extract, which is Madhupur National Park. Make visible it on the screen. Now I will go to quick ozone. This one is the quick ozone. Click on it. Go to quick query. In key, provide the boundary, and in value provide protected area, and here you have to provide canvas extent. Now click on run query. Here you see that my protected area has been extracted. This one is the Madhupur National Park. In this way you can easily extract any protected area you want. Now let's for another one. I will go to Bhawal National Park, which is located in Gazipur. Bhawal Jatiya Udyan or Bhawal National Park, this one. And beside this, another protected area, which is Gazipur Safari Park located. So if I make visible both of them on the screen, both will be extracted. Let's check it. Go to quick ozone. Go to quick query, then in key provide boundary, and value provide the protected area, and here canvas extend. Click on run query. Loading successfully done. Here you see that both of protected area has been extracted because both was visible on the screen. If I make visible the single one, only one will be extracted. Let's check. I will make visible only Bhawal National Park on the screen. Now go to quick ozone. Click on query. In key provide boundary, and in value provide protected area. Here canvas extend. Click on run. Now see that only Bhawal National Park has been extracted because it was only visible on the screen. If you want to extract the Gazipur Safari Park, you can easily do that. Make visible the Gazipur Safari Park on the screen only. Okay, now only Gazipur Safari Park visible on the screen. Quick ozone. Quick query. In key provide the boundary. In value protected area. Here canvas extend. Click on run query. Successfully done. Here you see only Gazipur Safari Park has been extracted. This one is the Gazipur Safari Park. Let's remove the unnecessary layer. Actually, here we extracted 3 different protected area. That means the first one is the Madhupur National Park, which we extract singly, and the second one is the Bhawal National Park, and the third one is the Gazipur Safari Park. In this way you can easily extract any protected area. Both extracted because both was visible on the screen. In this way you can easily extract any protected area. Hope you understand very well. Thank you very much for watching. If you want to get more video like this, please subscribe my YouTube channel. If you want to ask any question, please ask in the comment box. Thank you.